A plus minus B.
A minus B, that B, A plus minus B. Or B minus A, but with minus before. Product of the A minus B and C minus D, that B. Product of B minus A and D minus C. Or product of the B minus B and D minus C, but with minus before. Or product of B minus A and C minus D, or with minus before. A times sum of B and C, that B, AB plus AC. A times difference of B and C, that B, AB minus AC. BX plus C, that B, B times sum of X and C by B. BX minus C, that B, B times difference of X and C by B. Product of A and B by C, that B, a times quotient of B and C. Also that B, B times quotient of A and C by B, that B, a times 1 by B. A plus B and that by C, that B by C plus B by C. Quotient of A and B plus quotient of C and D, that B, sum of the D and B, C, and that by B, D. Quotient of A and B times quotient of C and D, that B. Product of A and C by product of B and D. Quotient of A by B and C, that B. Quotient of A and B, C, D by B by C, that B. Quotient of A and C, D. B square sum of A and B, that B square A plus square B plus 2AB. Sum of A and B times difference of A and B, that B square A minus square B cubed. Sum of A and B, that B cube A plus cube B plus 3 times square A times B plus 3 times A times square B cube A plus cube B, that B square A plus square B minus A times B, and that all times sum of A and B. A to B and that to C, that B A2 product of B and C, and power product of A and B, that B A2 N times B to N, and power quotient of A and B, that B A to N by N, product of N to A and N to B, that B, and sum of A and B, quotient of N to A and N to B, that B, N to difference of A and B, A2 minus B, that B, 1 by A to B, A2 quotient of B and C, that B, C root of A to B, A2 minus quotient of B and C, that B, 1 by C root of A to B, and root of product of A and B, that B, product of 2 N roots A and B, product of root of N degree A and root of N degree B, that B, and quotient of B plus A and A times B, logarithm of product of A and B, that B, sum of logarithm of A and logarithm of B, logarithm of quotient of A and B, that B, difference of logarithm of A and logarithm of B, logarithm of A to B, logarithm of A and that multiplied by B, logarithm of A base B, that be 1 by logarithm base A of B, logarithm base A of B, that be natural logarithm of B, and that by natural logarithm of A, logarithm base A of B, that be rhythm base A of C, and that times logarithm base C of B. Squared sine of B plus squared cosine of B, that B just 1. Squared cosine of B minus squared sine of B, that B cosine of double B, sine of double B, that B 2 times sine of B, and that times cosine of B.